feel like in our industry, because it is a very kind of visual industry, right? There has to be a little bit of that, no matter what. अब तो दूसरी आप corporate industries में भी जाएं तो आपको presentable तो होना पड़ेगा ना. Like you, I mean, अगर आप बिल्कुल ही अपने ऊपर effort नहीं डालें and how you are presenting yourself and how you're looking and how you're coming across, तो फिर तो forget showbiz. कहीं पर भी आपको, you know, and when you come to, you know, the workplace as a woman, you have to be a little presentable. So either you can fight it right off the bat, and never have a seat at the table, or you have to conform a little bit, so that you can be at a stage in your career where you can have a voice if you want to change certain norms when it comes to beauty standards or whatever. तो उसमें ये होता है कि देखें, शुरू से ही अगर मैं हार मान जाती और मैं कहती कि नहीं, मुझे क्यों, मैं क्यों, you know, मेकअप करूं या मैं क्यों, I mean that doesn't make sense, you know. Coming into this industry, you know that it is showbiz and it's called showbiz for a reason. You're showing yourself, you're presenting yourself, and anything that becomes a distraction to the audience that takes away from the story, you kind of have to fix that.
No,
you know,
I get that, but I'm speaking from the industry point of view. Like you said, कि हाँ देखें, there is no harm. In fact, it's good to put in an effort to look presentable in whatever career you are. But I'm saying कि हमारे image business में हमारे fans की और बहुत से लोग generally भी ये चीज़ कहते हैं कि you know women can easily pull favors based on their personal respect and dignity, which is why dignity becomes a huge question, not just for men, but especially for women in that. So all I'm saying is did you ever face a time when you were like, okay, these are lines I have to draw? Or was the industry always quite, careful or accommodative of your space?
There's a lot that you covered, and again, that question is very complex, but I'm going to answer the first part. Okay. Did I have to ever face any challenges when it came, let me understand, to my personal respect? Okay, so let's answer that one first. I think for the most part, वही जो मैं एक body language की बात कर रही थी आपके साथ, जो एक level of confidence होता है, ठीक है? A lot of times people just think that, wow, she's super confident, right? But sometimes what a lot of people don't realize is that people like me, sometimes we go into our protector mode, where it could be maybe some sort of trauma from the past where we feel like, if we're in a dangerous kind of a situation, that we have to put on our protector mode, right? तो शायद वो भी कभी-कभी लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस लगता हो, ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस लगता हो, तो कुछ लोग तो वैसे ही फिल्टर आउट हो जाते हैं. वो आपको देख के थोड़ा बहुत मतलब मैंने ये सुना है अपने बारे में कि you come across as intimidating sometimes, you come across as somebody that, oh, you're so different from what I thought of you. So मेरा हमेशा ये होता है कि अच्छा, is that my issue or is that your issue? If you made a judgment about who you think I am, then does that stem from your own insecurity, or is it truly how I came across, and maybe, so that's always a debate in my mind. Okay, so secondly, coming back to what we were saying, कि उस तरह से respect वैसे लोग हमेशा देते थे, क्योंकि उनको I think थोड़ा सा mannerism से पता चल जाता था या बात करने के अंदाज से कि can't really do that over here. But that being said, there are a few times where I did face a few really weird kind of comments. I wouldn't say comments, but from the industry, like some people who said कि ये करने के लिए तो ये तो करना पड़ेगा. Those kind of comments. And I very carefully exited myself from that entire circle and never kind of met them again or never wanted to associate myself with them again. And you didn't even
confront them? They're like, there's no use.
No, there was no use confronting them. And sometimes they were actually, in that time, kind of at a powerful position in the industry as well. ठीक है? तो ये तो confirm था कि उनके magazine या उनकी चीज़ में तो मैं नहीं कभी भी cover पे आऊँगी. क्योंकि मैंने उनकी उस बात को तो support किया ही नहीं कभी. मैंने तो outrightly कह दिया कि okay, अगर ये scene है तो फिर तो मैं, then you count me out of this.
This is the line.
This is the line. And I was also lucky that I had met Ali very early on when I came here. Just literally like 8 months after I came here, I met Ali. So he was always there to kind of guide me. कि ये लोग जो है ना, don't take them seriously. कि अगर ये कोई तुम्हें इस तरह की बात कर रहा है, तो dude, like, don't think that that's what it is. क्योंकि अब मैं, अगर if I was to be particular about what that particular person said, कि ये करने के लिए तो आपको मतलब एक तरह के कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे, लाइक रिवीलिंग टाइप कपड़े एंड ऑल दैट, ठीक है. नाउ द बैकग्राउंड दैट आई वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम, रिवीलिंग कपड़े वर नेवर अ बिग डील फॉर मी.
That's what I was getting at. I was like, why was...
व्हाट आर यू इवन सेइंग?
Yeah.
लेकिन ऐसा करना क्यों पड़ेगा, मतलब व्हाई इज दैट अ रिक्वायरमेंट though?
Yeah, give me the static justification.
या अगर वो रिक्वायरमेंट आप उसको बना रहे हैं, फिर तो मैं आई विल मेक इट अ पॉइंट नॉट टू.
Yeah.
I'll make it a point not to, and I'll show you that I can do it without doing that. तो हाँ, इधर से मैं थोड़ी सी, मैं नॉट स्टबर्न, बट मैं थोड़ी सी वो हो जाती थी कि नहीं भाई, मैं इस तरह से अगर मुझे कोई बोलेगा ना दैट आई हैव टू चेंज अ पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ, और यू नो ड्रेस अ सर्टन वे और डू सर्टन थिंग्स. Yeah, sure. And even if, according to me, revealing clothes or a certain way, or maybe a skirt or something, I never looked at it, you know, from coming from America. मुझे नहीं कभी उस तरह से लगा था. I come from a very, you know, open-minded family, balanced kind of perspective. हमारे अंदर conservative values भी हैं हमारी family में, और we also don't judge other people by the way they dress and stuff like that. Because living in America, you'll find that a lot of times Americans are the most simplest people.
Yeah.
So if you were to judge them by the way they're dressing, that's really useless. Because बहुत अच्छे लोग भी होते हैं वहाँ पर. तो वो उस माइंडसेट से मैं आ रही थी, और मैंने बोला कि ये क्या कह रहे हैं, मतलब दैट्स वेरी सैड दैट दे आर सेइंग दैट, यू नो, एंड दिस पर्सन इज लाइक अ प्रीटी बिग पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री राइट नाउ. तो इस तरह के कमेंट्स कि ये करने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा, यू नो. फिर मैं ये भी सुनती थी कि अच्छा वो फलानी मॉडल तो जो है वो अपने कवर्स खुद परचेज करती है,
अच्छा,
वो तो फ्री में ये करती है, वो तो वो करती है, यू नो, तो आप नहीं करती, इस वजह से ये हो रहा है कि आप इतना वो नहीं, आपको लोग पुश नहीं कर रहे इतना ज़्यादा.
क्योंकि पुलिंग फेवर्स इज एन इनडायरेक्ट इकोनॉमी इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, राइट?
यस,
that you know वो किस लेवल के फेवर्स हैं वो, that varies from person to person.
That's true.
Now, and you know, you're talking about, you know, let's say wearing certain clothes or skimpy clothes or clothes that you wouldn't allow them to wear, allow you yourself to wear. You've been to fashion industry, and now you're mashallah doing well in the TV industry, which is like your biggest mass media right now.
Sure.
और आज हम ऐसे एरा में रह रहे हैं जहाँ